Hello, and thank you for stopping by. My name is Miss Yoyo, and I am a fairly new Poshmark reseller. Even though I'm a novice, I am so eager to share my journey with you as I navigate through all of the ins and outs of Poshmark, reselling, and thrifting. If you have a love for fashion or a passion for fashion, then I would kindly like for you to like this video, comment below, and let me know any suggestion, gives me any feedback. I'm up for any feedback regarding reselling. And please subscribe to my channel. Sweaters. That's all I saw when I went to the resale store this past weekend. And I had no idea what type of sweaters I should purchase so that I can resell. There were so many brands. It was this one and this one and this one and this one and this one. So you know what I did? You all know what I did. I compiled a list of at least 50 to 75 sweater brands that we can resell. Sweaters or brands that you would see at your local thrift store. Some you may never see, like the Gucci's and the Louis Vuittons, but you don't know if you may see those or not. Brands that we've never heard of before is on this list. And what I did was I made stars, 1 star all the way to 6 stars. And 1 star means that you probably won't get a good return, and 6 stars mean you may have found a good bang for your buck, depending on how much you purchased it for. And sometimes these thrift stores, they are so high. You can't get any type of return. So with that being said, I'm not going to keep anybody long. Look in the description box below and you will find the PDF for at least 50 to 75 brands, maybe even more. I didn't really count, but at least 50 to 75 brands of sweaters that you can resell for. Okay. And I hope to see you guys soon. I'm going to compile another list, but who knows what next. Okay. Once again, please like, comment, and subscribe if reselling is your thing. Also, hey, all my fashion novas and my fashionistas, what's up? I'm out. See y'all next time.